What's cracking, everybody? Pete here from M&M and the gang, and we are stuck here at Kit Fox RV Park here in Patterson. One of my slides, the motor stripped, and it's stuck in the out position. These coaches have 4 electric motors and interchange the motors if one is not working. My problem is the pins are stuck in the up position, so I can't hammer them out to replace the motor. So I've been on the phone with Integra. They said take the back off the motor and you'll be able to push the slide in. Well, I've taken the motor apart, and these slides are so heavy, it's more than just a one-man job. But these are the pins that I'm talking about. See here, and on the other side, this needs to rotate where the head is facing upward, or so I can hammer it out. And I can't hammer it out because you have to pull the pin this way. You have to pull it this way, and I don't have anything to press it out, so I have a tech coming to see if they can help me out, or if they can somehow, if they have the tools to take those pins out. If not, I'm gonna have to cut the pin and then hammer it out, cut the head off the pin, hammer it out, and go buy some new pins. That motor is shot to heck. So yeah, the slide just ticks, it won't turn at all. And this is a big slide. It has our TV, fireplace, table, and refrigerator on it. So yeah, I've been messing with this thing for 2 days now, and they have somebody coming out. Someone's coming out, sorry about the light. Someone's coming out between 9 and 11. So hopefully we can get on the road and head out of here. We're supposed to be in, yesterday we were supposed to be at Morgan Hill. And today, hopefully, this job is only a 20 to 30 minute job if you can get the pins out. You just replace the motor, cut the wires, replace the motor, rewire it, and go put your pins back in and go about your business. But because the slide is so heavy and it won't turn so I can get the pins down, I can't move. So, and it's dangerous to try this coach. And you see how far that slide sticks out. So yeah, so I just got a text saying that they're on their way. But a couple of little things too. That that motor, then my 2 of my Fantastic fans, or Aircell fans, or Air Max fans, the motors went out. And I also need to re-level my coach, reprogram it, because this is how it levels now. As you can, if you can see, it's tilted to the right slightly, and I have to manually adjust it to get up straight. So you can see that. I think you can see it. Stand right here. But anyway, it's just out of adjustment. So that's something simple that I just need to get on a flat surface and reprogram it, and buy motors for my those fans. But other than that, just one of those RV nightmares, breakdown. Not really, well, I'm broken down, but yeah, slide not working and you're stuck. So good thing at this park, it's a Good Sam's park, so it only costs us like $37 a night. But we need to get going because my in-laws are flying to the Philippines, and we need to take them to the airport. And they're in San Jose, which is about an hour and a half away. So, and we got the dogs, and so we're gonna have to take the dogs with us because we can't leave them in the coach, because our Chihuahua ended up getting focal neck pain. They think he has a bulging disc in his spine, so his hind legs are a little paralyzed. Well, he's getting better now. He's getting a lot stronger, but we can't leave him alone. So we're gonna have to take the 3 dogs with us to San Jose. But so just gonna sit here and wait for this tech to come. Hopefully he's a big guy, or two of them, and we can push this slide in, and or push it in far enough so we can get the pins out, and we can be on our way. I've seen people on internet, on YouTube, do this, and it only took them not even 30 minutes or whatever. So, but then again, their pins are in the proper position. So, well, that's all I got to add. Talk to you guys later. Peace.